like and subscribe Anong Sayo TV mo.
Thank you. Annyeonghaseyo mga kaanyong! Welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about Gongyu and Song Ye-kyo. Only here on Annyeong Chiga Update! Gongyu and Song Ye-kyo started filming for their new drama. It was revealed on January 13th by a representative of the upcoming drama, Slowly But Intensely, that filming officially began on January 12, top billed by Gongyu and Song Ye-kyo. Slowly But Intensely will be set in 1960s and 1970s. The drama depicts the realistic scenes of people in the broadcasting industry, dialing into the lives of stars on stage and the people behind the scenes who create those stars. It will be written by No Hee-kyung, who penned the previous notable dramas It's Okay That's Love, Dear My Friends, Our Blues, and more. This will be the third time Song Ye-kyo will be collaborated with writer No Hee-kyung. Song Ye-kyo previously works with No Hee-kyung in the dramas Worlds Within in 2008 and That Winter The Wind Blows in 2013. Song Ye-kyo recently garnered attention for her short haircut, which she adapted in preparation for this drama. Song Ye-kyo recently appeared on the YouTube channel Fairy Cheon, and she shared, "I cut my hair for my next project. It is a project by writer No Hee-kyung. The story is set in the 1960s and 70s. Gongyu, on the other hand, marked his second collaboration with director Lee Yoon-jong via Slowly But Intensely. Gongyu previously worked with the director in the hit MBC drama Coffee Prince. Slowly But Intensely is aiming to finish filming in the first half of this year and is in talks to release on Netflix as 22-episode series. That's it mga kaanyong. Are you very excited for the tandem of Gongyu and Song Ye-kyo? Comment your thoughts below.
And then please like and subscribe sa Anong Sayo TV ko.